finding that it's very much dry rotted.
To say the least.
Yeah. So originally I was going to try to, say, glue it down with some silicone, maybe fix some of the seams. What we're going to try to do instead first, we're going to see if we're able to get it, because I'm going to try to replace it. So I'm going to replace all this rubber. And it goes all the way to the other side.
I'm getting
so
close.
as you can see, there's a gap between the windshield where water can get in here, and, you know, and it causes more damage. Well, the water is meant to run downward, not in here. So when you have problems like that, it only gets worse real quick too. So what we're going to try to do is replace this. See, the other thing that happens too is like this stuff goes behind it.
Great.
You know,
and this is actually, because I had the windshield replaced by Safelite only a couple of years ago.
Yeah, they never replaced this rubber. This is original rubber.
That's the original rubber.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to see if we can purchase this. If not, then I'm gonna, you know, repair what I can with the silicone, re-glue it back. Make sure this, see this gap here? You don't want that gap because the water's getting in and going downward.
Okay.
And want it to keep flowing in this trough here.
Okay. Where am I going to find this? Am I going to Ford? Am I going
try to get it from
Rock
Ford.
Auto?
Yeah.
Go to Ford?
Yeah.
All right.
Hopefully they'll have it. If not, then we'll have to use
John Ingenuity.
Silicone, yeah.
All right. Coming soon.